First up, let's get you another successful encounter that has been reported in the valley in Shopian once again, where we are getting to know that 3 terrorists have been gunned down, have been neutralized in this encounter that took place early this morning. Let me straight away go across to Zeenat for more inputs on this. Zeenat, what are we getting to know from this latest encounter? We're getting to know that 3 dreaded terrorists, all from HM, have now been eliminated.
Yes, 3 terrorists have been eliminated by the security forces in Turkwan Gam village of Shopian. They are all from Hizbul Mujahideen. In fact, arms and ammunition have been recovered from the encounter site. Bodies have been retrieved and also operation is over. Very clean and clear, swift operation coming from once again from security forces in Shopian. And with today's killing, the number of terrorists neutralized in less than 2 weeks is coming somewhere around 17, which is we seen as a big success because in all these operations for the last couple of days, we are seeing the highest blow that is coming is Hizbul Mujahideen. They are receiving because the number of militants that were neutralized are from HM. And simultaneously, what we are also picking is that they are all the local boys and have been the commanders in Hizbul Mujahideen. So it was an encounter that was reported from one of the orchards in Turkwan Gam village of Shopian.
Zeenat, Shopian especially, where we are reporting many of those encounters taking place. Can you give us more inputs onto why Shopian, as well as we are looking at these areas in and around Shopian where these encounters that have been reported, most of them in the last 2 weeks?
See, the operations are always based on information. So whenever you have an int about a militant presence in a particular area or a particular house or an orchard, so security forces, as per the protocol, they launch secure cordon and search operations. And if at all they receive a fire from the militant side, we have been seeing number of SOPs followed during the encounter. And when a local militant is trapped, number of times the security forces made an appeal to the militants to surrender. But when they don't, and then the option is that you have to neutralize. If we talk about the Shopian belt, we have seen a surge in anti-militancy operations and also the number of militancy in Shopian since 2016. We have also seen the kind of abductions of security forces, killings of locals, the political leaders were targeted, or for that matter, these sarpanch and others. So we are seeing very specific information is coming now from the Shopian side to neutralize these terrorists. In fact, if you remember, just few days back, there was a statement made by Army Chief where he claimed that it is now the human information, human int that is coming more than technical int, because the people of Kashmir want to get rid of militancy. They want the militants to get neutralized. That is why the operations are carried by security forces on the basis of intel information, and that too human int.
Absolutely. So 17 terrorists who have been neutralized in the last 2 weeks, and majority of those encounters that are being reported from Shopian in the latest encounter by the security forces, 3 terrorists have been successfully eliminated. Zeenat, thank you.